Are there any John Bedini fans in here? All right. Our next presenter is actually one of the most prolific replicators of a lot of technologies in this whole field, and especially of John Bedini's. He's probably built and replicated more of John Bedini's technologies than almost anybody in this room. And so with this presentation, what you're going to hear is basically the poor man's battery swapper system running an SG, and you got about 1,500 pounds of batteries here, and so he calls this the Home Depot build.
Yeah,
so,
poor man.
Poor man.
That you can salvage it, you can Home Depot it, Lowe's it.
Right.
It's just easy to build, and anybody can do this.
Right.
Is the split the positive battery swapping system. And what happens here, when you run down the first two sets of batteries in figure 1, the third battery will start charging. And you just need a low resistance load, whether that's an inverter or an SG or whatever load you might want to put on it. And you just keep rotating these batteries around in sequence, and they will just keep recharging each other, re-gauging. I created a 36 volt battery system for the series side and charged parallel at 12 volts. This allowed me to run the batteries down and keep a steady load on my inverter through a high amp regulator. So I advanced to this, and I built, breadboarded this all up. Then I designed this board here in this circuit for Allen Frencore. And let's see what it's pulling. It's pulling 5.11 amp. And AC, it's pulling at 120 volts, it's pulling 2.45 amp. What if we crank this baby up? Y'all ready? All right, let's see which bank is on. Okay, this is just the SSG running. You can see the changing gears here, going from multiple pulses until it gets up to speed, and it will go to a single pulse mode. What we're seeing on this scope is the output that's actually charging our charge battery in the charge mode, just like Peter showed us last year. The difference being here is I have 3 output diodes versus just the one that he showed, which gives us the extra lamellar currents like John has talked about.